At a time when layoffs are shaking the Indian IT industry, Infosys has given a much needed boost of hope. CEO Salil Parekh announced that the company will hire around 20,000 freshers in financial year 26, after already onboarding 17,000 graduates in just the first quarter. While giants like TCS are cutting over 12,000 roles, Infosys is choosing a different path, a mix of automation, massive AI training, and human reskilling. So far, Infosys has trained 2.75 lakh employees in AI. Thanks to this, productivity has jumped by 5 to 15% in core areas like software development and even more in back-end support. Their Finacle platform is blending human expertise with AI tools, giving a 20% efficiency boost. Freshworks, meanwhile, posted a strong June quarter. The company's revenue hit $204.7 million, up 18% year-on-year. Losses came down drastically to just $1.7 million from over $20 million last year. What's working for them? Cost control, mid-market focus, and AI tools like Freddy Copilot and Agent Studio, which have already crossed $20 million in annual recurring revenue. Also in the news, MS Dhoni has invested in Acko and become the face of the tech-first insurance company. With Virat Kohli backing Go Digit, now two Indian cricket captains are also battling it out in the insurance space. Meanwhile, India's electronics stream is facing a serious bottleneck. The IT Ministry had to return over 1,500 crore rupees meant for PLI and chip manufacturing because companies didn't meet performance targets. A parliamentary panel wasn't happy and said the ministry must take more responsibility. And to tap into Western markets, Indian contract manufacturers like Amber Group and Dixon Technologies are now buying global firms. Amber spent 400 crore for a major stake in an Israeli company to access Western defense clients. This wave of optimism, bold moves, and global ambitions is redefining India's tech and manufacturing narrative, but execution still remains the key challenge.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.